Yax, the easiest way to create a virtual agent for the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. In this tutorial, we're going to see how participants have been interacting with our agent. Understand at a glance how many conversations your agent has had, what intents have been triggered, and more. Customize the charts and the table to get the insights you're looking for. Review past conversations in detail. Watch in real time as conversations unfold. And now you know how people are interacting with your virtual agent. Create your own virtual agent for the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa at yax.co.